Hi, my all friend. Hope you all are doing good and stay healthy. And good morning to all of you again. And thanking you for watching my this video and previous video too. I'm making this video on for the Monday morning coffee with tech analysis for educational purpose. Date 26/07/2021. I am analysis one or two stocks through this video. At every Monday morning, this type of video. This video will come at 8 a.m. Please always watch this video in my channel. And that's for to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the instant notification. And today I'm going to analyze on a stock that is the PSP project, the infra stock, and the infra is in a bull cycle at this moment of time, and after breaking a long-term resistance levels and multi-year resistance levels in the infra. So this stocks is looking good to me, and that is why I shared this chart to all of you. This is the PSP project, and this resistance is 510 to 520 levels, then 580 and then 600 levels. Support at this moment 418, and below 418 will be a stop loss, or below closing stop loss, you can say. Let's go to chart and watch the full analysis. This is the PSP project stock and this is the chart of the PSP project in front of you. This is the weekly chart. On the 2017, this is the data, and you all see there's the highest resistance levels is nearby and trading at 480. If that the fast resistance for this stock 510 to 520 levels first, then 560, and then 580, 560 to 580 levels, and then 600 levels. And this is the for short to long term or medium term, you can say 3 to 6 months the time frame, or some of the time you can say 1 year. But this is target will be 3 to 6 months. And this is the trend line. You will see uptrend line, and 418 is broken. Is a support at 418 levels, and if 418 levels is broken decisively and closing below that levels, then we have to think about the stop loss, and we have to get out from the stock of if closing below 418. Otherwise, is stock looking good to me, and 510 to 520 levels is the first target levels, and then 580 and then 600 levels is the PSP project target. MACD, and you will see moving average is also rising, and with a curve is this slope. If come another higher levels, then it will be the strong uptrend momentum will come at that time. And at this moment, not a strong momentum coming, just giving the strong momentum is going to come. And this is the MACD line. Is you see, this is the upward daily, and follow the dotted line also. And even in the weekly chart also showing that positiveness is a crossover and above zero levels closing is a very good sign. So this stock is looking good to me. That is why I shared this chart with all of you. This PSP Project Limited is a infra stock, and infra is a stock which is looking bullish at this moment. You all see some of previous some days I told to all of you the Larsen and Toubro about that. Some from 1520 to 30 levels to now it's trading about 1600 levels. So this is another stock of PSP project in the infra stock, and this chart is looking good to me. It's try to set up for the good momentum. You all see this is the volume is picking up in this area. So volume is gathering. So these stocks in technical analysis chart way through chart analysis is looking good, and based on technical based on technical analysis, I'm on the and price chart is showing the strength. Head top high bottom formation is also intact. So at this moment, it's try to give the breakout, and strong breakout may come. So that is why I shared this chart to all of you in the Monday morning coffee with technical analysis. I analyze this stock, only one stock in this video today. And if anyone wants to, if anyone benefit from my analysis, please do like this video and share with your friends. And then I can reach to all of your friends, and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the instant notification. And every Monday morning we get the instant notification, this type of stock analysis. And this type of stock analysis will only for the medium to short term and some of time long term, and not for the intraday or something like that hunky funky trade. For the hunky funky trade, or you can say for the gambling type of trade, this is for the short to medium term trade. I am analysis in this Monday morning coffee with technical analysis, and hope you all benefited from my analysis too. And thanking you to all of you, my friends. For watching this video. And this PSP project 510 to 520 levels, first resistance levels, then 580, and then 600 levels, support 418 levels, and below 418 stop loss will be closing basis. And this is the Monday morning coffee with technical analysis for educational purpose. I'm not giving any buying or selling recommendation. And another thing, if anyone wants to join my technical analysis course, you can feel free to join my technical analysis course. And thank you to all of you again.